Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Today we are going to learn how to draw a stone well. It's going to include two posts along the side, a crossbeam, some rope, and a metal bucket. I think you're going to like it. It's going to be a little challenging with multiple ovals, but you got this. Come on, let's get in the studio and get drawing. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing a center line, or in our case, this will be our minor axis for all or most of our ovals in our well drawing. And if you're having a hard time drawing ovals, there's a link right above that I've placed that will show you how to draw them on a previous video. Okay, we're going to drop two verticals. And then we're going to draw the bottom part of our well and make sure that curve is a little bit more than the one on the top. I'm going to add 4 dots here to help me guide the center oval, which will be the opening of our well. And take your time with this, get this accurate, because this is the framework for everything we're going to work on. 2 poles at either end of our well. And if you notice carefully when I drew these aren't at the opposite ends, they're kind of off center ever so slightly. Cross beam going across. Now let's draw our bucket. Come in on the sides, make them concave just a little bit, adding a handle. And if at any point you need to just stop the video, pause it to get caught up. So this is a hook in the side of our beam or our post in order to hang the rope you would use in order to lower the bucket into the well. I'm extending the beams just a little bit so I can draw some lashings that would tie the cross beam with the vertical beams on either side.
Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Now, for the facade, I'm going to add some stonework, and the ones that are closest to us, I'm drawing them so we're looking at them straight on. As you go to the sides, I've dropped some stones in that are more foreshortened. Adding some surface lines to the beam going across. Now I'm slowly just going to keep filling in my well with different size stones. We're kind of coming up to here our 5-minute mark. So I have, you could see the final drawing off to your left there. So feel free, this would be a great time to pause the video and finish off your well with some darker lines, just like I'm doing in the stone here. Add some grasses at the bottom and some indication of value. And then by all means, if you want, you could see how I've colored it, and you can color yours as well. All right, great job, and we will see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.